Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Arndt Hoffmann here, Chief Strategist at smartShift. Today I'm extremely happy to share another case study with you, actually about the successful S/4HANA transformation for our customer Evonik Industries, one of the world leaders in specialty chemicals. Evonik actually took the decision to move to S/4HANA with the goal in mind to enable greater digitalization and being able to benefit from SAP innovations in the future. Based on multiple successful projects in the past and an in-depth roadmap discussion, Evonik decided to collaborate with smartShift also for the upcoming S/4HANA transformation. Evonik decided to use a system conversion approach for their existing core ECC system, with a focus on quick wins when it comes to business process optimization and technical modernization. Biggest challenge for the transformation have been identified as a highly customized system grown over many years with 69,000 custom objects in the system, an aggressive timeline looking to go live in 12 months, and actually keeping the impact for the business as minimal as possible and maintaining business velocity throughout the program. In the case study, you will read how smartShift helped to address these challenges with its intelligent automation platform. For me, having been involved in the project as smartShift executive sponsor from the start, there have been a couple of highlights I want to point out. The approach of an accelerated brownfield conversion to S/4HANA, utilizing best-of-breed automation, worked extremely well, even for a system customized that much like the Evonik system. All timelines and SLAs were met 100%, and we were even able to address a lot of technical depth in the system. Evonik is now much better prepared to continue the modernization of the system towards a cleaner SAP core and BTP in the future. Our intelligent automation for dual maintenance enabled business velocity throughout the program, and actually the required freeze for the business was kept to a minimum. We were even able to carve in bigger project changes during the transformation program, and therefore actually being able to keep up the business pretty much as normal during the project. All technology aside, the excellent teamwork and collaboration with the Evonik team have been key to the successful achievement of all goals in the project. I love automation, but I also love how our teams deliver this automation as impactful solutions with guaranteed outcomes to our customers. At the end, the human factor also counts. With this, I hope you will enjoy reading the success story, and I would really love to discuss your SAP transformation challenges directly with you. Please reach out to me.